there. Just doing a little cleaning up of the house between scenes. And how's everybody doing? This is Less for More, and wait a minute, what's that? Folks, don't you just hate when that happens? You worked really hard to clean all your surfaces and countertops areas, and then something like that happens. You notice kids have drawn on the wall, or if you're a teacher and you're in class, you know how kids like to make messes, little hidden things. Just when it's time for you to close up for the day, or just when you're ready to go out and you find things like that. Well, I'm going to show you a neat hack that's going to save you time and relieve your stress. Check this out. So this is a real easy trick. You take just a little bit of your at-home toothpaste here. Take a little bit. Baking soda works too, in combination, depending on the stain. Rub that together like that. Okay, now watch the magic. Apply to said marking on the wall. Flip it over, get the residue off. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. A quick hack that saves you time and, like I said, stress. It even works on your headlights, shining it up and making them bright. It's a neat hack for if you detail cars, like I've done. See, check that out. Nice and bright. You can even use it on your walls to add scent to the rest of your house. Now that's the smell of clean. That's it for today's episode, folks. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. It's a quick and easy hack to use for whenever life gets you down. Remember, throwing a DUI and keep on swinging. This is Less for More, signing out.